morning, everyone. This is Infinite Runner Brian here. So we are now at this Lorong Bangka. So the starting point today is at this Henderson way. So yeah, I think it's about 6:20 a.m. in the morning now, Sunday. No, it's good. I think it's good Sunday. Perfect morning. So I just came down from this Henderson wave. Now I'm running along this Henderson road towards this Tiong Bahru park to scan the QR code for this scan and wing challenge. So what I have in front of me is a down slope. So but it's I think we're going to enjoy this upslope later on. So yeah, today route will be passing by this Henderson Road, and then we'll go on to this Tiong Bahru Park, scan the QR code, and then we'll go on to this Alexandra Park connector. So and then we follow by this CBD area, which is the Esplanade. Then we go to Merlion, and then we come back by this CBD area, Southbridge Road, and then we'll come back to here again. So yeah, so that's roughly about today's route. Will be an interesting one. The estimated the mileage will be about 13 to 15. I'm not sure. Yeah. Plus minus some of the weight loss also, and yeah, so quite interesting. So it's still dark now. I don't think the video will turn out nice. So yeah, we'll go on to Tiong Bahru Park first and scan the QR code, and then we'll proceed to Alexandra Park connector. Thank you. Thanks. Hi everyone, I'm now at this Tiong Bahru Park. Time about 6 plus. So we need to find the lamp post. Oh, there's one lamp post there. So I think we got it one here. So I think I'll find the next one first. So the first lamp post is here. Quite visible. So we're going to scan this one later on. Find the next one first. Because I think the second one might not be easy to find. I think at least about 200 meters apart. So yeah, I think we need to find that one and then come back to scan this one, and then proceed on to our next destination, which is the Alexandra Park connector. Then we will pass by this rocky CBD area, and then Esplanade. So yeah, still need to find this. I think probably is now. Okay, we take a chance. We're gonna go on this side. I'll see you guys later. Thank you. Hi everyone. I'm now on this Alexandra Park connector. So yeah, quite a new place to me. So today's route will be quite a totally new one for me. From the Tiong Bahru Henderson road to this city area. So yeah, it's very helpful to have this Alexandra Park connector, so that I will know that I'm on the right path. I'm not sure how long is this Alexandra Park connector. So just beside me is the Singapore River, I believe it is. Now this morning I think it's a bit late starting, so initially I was thought of starting at 6 AM, but when I reach here I forgot to save my route yesterday, so I have to spend some time doing my route at the starting point. So now we're going to cross the road. So we're going to cross the road. I'm not sure what road is this. So there's some disconnection. I don't think it's feasible enough to build a whole new bridge here. So yeah, quite interesting. So I'm beginning to see some hotels on my left. Yeah, this is what in front of me. So I don't think I can run with this so dark with the GoPro here. So I'm going to pause the recording for a while and then come back to the video again later on. Thank you. Yeah, so there's this underpass along this road. I think before I go down. So on my left is this I think it's a sign road hawker center. Quite a big one, I think. Quite interesting. So I'm not sure. Now I'm under this underpass. I think it's meant to be skip the main road at the top, so you can actually go straight on the PCN. So I'm going to look back what do we have. Yeah, now it's very near to this I think it's very near to all the hotels here. Quite interesting. So this is what behind me. So yeah, I think we're going to go forward. I think here is still have some. Oh, I think there's another underpass there. So here there's another underpass. So yeah, just now there's a first underpass, and now we have here another underpass. I think the daylight is going to break up soon. Interesting. So it's nice. We stay around here, I can actually drop to the CBD area. I think it's good to be walking on the CBD area on a Sunday. It will be very quiet. But if you do it on a weekday, it might be okay in the morning, but I think if you're trying to go home, that might be the thing to be concerned about. The traffic and other stuff also. Okay, I'm going to continue running and see you guys again. Thank you. So we have here another bridge. Quite a nice one. I think we cannot cross it over. I think I'm going to go straight. So trying to figure out the way now. Okay, thank you. Go straight. Yeah, I think on my left is all the restaurant. I didn't came to this restaurant before, so I'm not sure which part of think should be at the Clark Quay. Yeah, I think it's at the Clark Quay. So now we're at the Clark Quay. So there's another great bridge here. I think I'm not going to cross over. Maybe I should cross over. Oh, I should stay ahead. So yeah, so I need to go ahead. So this is Clark Quay, I think. Okay, so we're going to continue running. Daylight is coming up, and so we need to be at the daylight when we reach the Esplanade. So I see the sun is coming out soon. So it's a big dark here. Still on my left is all the restaurants there. Quite interesting to see that this has become a PCN in the morning. So it's kind of quiet in the morning. Peaceful running. And I'll catch you guys again. Thank you. Yeah, so we have come with this underpass again. Quite interesting. See, there's a lot of traffic on the sidewalk. So yeah, this is the underpass. Pass by the main road. I almost went up and then got into the main road. So in fact, there's this underpass for us to bypass the main road. So I think there's a bridge of us. So yeah, we're gonna go to this bridge now. I'm still new to the route, so I need to keep on looking at the handphone to determine which is the correct route. So this is the bridge. I think we're not going to cross over. We're going to continue down on this PCN, I think, and catch you guys again later. Thank you. Now, okay. Now I think I'm at the book key. So there's this the wild game here. I'm not sure if you guys can see. It's wild game. Give you many CG when pushing yourself up. So there's another green bridge in front of me. So this is the game where the spring tension will bring you up to the sky. So we're gonna push forward. I don't think we're gonna go up to the green bridge again. Going down under this underpass, bypass the bridge, and we'll get to the other side of the bridge. Okay, now I can see the MBS is in front of me now. So this is very near to Riverside Walk. So we are going now the underpass. So you can see that a lot of these graphical illustration all the way. Quite interesting. The daylight is breaking up. Oh, there's another green bridge here. Yeah, there's too many. Lovely bridge. We'll take video in this route. I don't think we're gonna go underpass again. catch you guys again later. Thank you. So the daylight is breaking up. So I think on my left is this another big building. So in front of me is the other CBD area. I think I can walk to prevent the video from jogging. So yeah, I think it's quite nice to enjoy the scenery here. People stay near this area. For me today, I think I try to bring my starting point nearer so I can actually enjoy all this scenery for today. Quite interesting. So we're going to Esplanade Park and then we'll see how. Thank you. I think there's another, I think this is a historical bridge also. Quite interesting to run this to this bridge this morning. And then over here is another building. I think how do we proceed on? Oh, I think there's underpass in front. Esplanade Park. Yeah, I saw the sign. So it's quite interesting. So there's a lot of bridge with a lot of color. So quite interesting to see all these bridge in the morning. So we're going to run ahead of this tunnel. Thank you. Okay, now we are actually at this. I believe within the Esplanade Park. So what you see in front of me is this MBS. On the left is the Singapore Flyer. So now we go to look out for that lamppost. Let's see what do we have. Because I think the next time on I have to come to here to scan the QR code. So I'm taking this chance to understand where are all the.
Like going to the like.
I think I saw one of them. So this is in front of me. There's one of them over here. So later on I think we're going to turn into this direction later on. But let me find another banner, just in case. I don't think I want to change anything to my map setting now, because although I set the GPS point of all the banner, scanner in QR code location in my phone, but if you have to exit my navigation now and change it to this QR code setting, I might not be able to get back to what I have now. So I think maybe I'll just go a little bit forward to see the actual banner. Okay, I'm going to pause the recording for a while first, and then we will see again later on. Thank you. Okay, I found the other banner. I'm not sure how to describe this location. Oh, this is the banner here. So I'm not sure how do I describe this location. Initially I thought this is I think this is the MRT exit. That's not the MRT exit. So yeah, so I found two of them. Sorry, the video was cut off. So yeah, I was explaining. This is the starting point for today's route, which is the Esplanade Park. So I'm now heading back towards the Greenway highway, and we're going to proceed on to this Merlion. Then we'll go back. I think the weather is going to be not too rainy today, so we got to hurry up before anything happen, hopefully. So yeah, this is the train route now. The banner is now just beside this little seesaw here. So it's right behind me, banner. So I'm going to run ahead to this Merlion, and thank you. So once again, this is the CBD area today. So we're going to run ahead this route towards the Merlion, and thank you for your support. Thank you. So now we are at this Merlion. So it's quite interesting to see this in the morning. Still very crowded over here. So we're going to circle around this area for a while, and we're going to move on to Greenway highway later on. It's a good morning. See all this around. I think it's quite crowded in the morning. The sky is not it's cloudy today, so there's not much sunlight today. So we're gonna move ahead to this other place now. Probably we'll come back to here again another time where we're getting better sunshine. That's it for today. We're going to run ahead along this one Fullerton and get back to the starting point. Thank you. Hi everyone. I think I lost the way, so yeah, still stuck in this Bahru Pagar. Kind of interesting. So I need to find a way back again. So let me walk to this further down, drink some water. I think the weather is not too good today. It's still cloudy. I think I need to go hurry up. Otherwise, when we reach the Henderson wave, I think it's all the way up slope there. So got to be careful of the weather. Let's see how the things go now. I got to figure out a way. Okay, thank you. Hi everyone. And now I'm along this Keppel Road, I think. So yeah, by right, you should pass by Jubilee Plaza. So the destination that we are going now is this South Corridor Rail entrance. I think so. So I'm not sure if I will stick to this one. Can I reach to this area? So probably I need to try out for a while today, and let's see how it goes. Okay, thank you. Hi everyone. I'm now at this Jubilee Park Road. So right in front, I think is the very nearest to the rail corridor entrance. So I'm not sure if that is accessible to that location. So you can see the Google now is asking me to go towards this direction and make a big round. So I think I'm going to take the chance to see can we bypass the area and cross over to the other side, and hopefully it works. Otherwise I need to cross across the HDB flat to see whether can I take the shortcut from here. Yeah, the thing is I think although it's a bit shorter distance, but it's kind of mentally tired also, because I think I lost the way just now trying to figure out the way to get to here. I was expecting to pass by this UB or OUB Plaza, or the CBD area interesting. So, but it seems to be lost the way. And then I think one thing is when you drive through here and walk around here is lots of different. Okay, I think I come to this end of this road. It seems like there's no way to go through it. So let's see how. Thank you. Hi everyone. It seems that so this is the green corridor. I believe this is the rail corridor entrance. So now at this Kampung Bahru. I think it's very near to Kampung MRT, just right behind me. So I'm going to proceed on to this trail to see. Hopefully that's the one. So we are going to exit at this Jalan Bukit Merah. So hopefully it's correct way. Excuse me, is this the way to the rail corridor?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Yeah, so saw a helpful cyclist. Yeah, so he tell me that this is the way to the rail corridor. So yeah. So it's still on the road pavement, but not so smooth as the PCN. So quite interesting. I would expect to see a lot of people here. Maybe later on we have more people at the entrance. Oh yeah, there's a lot of people there. So we go to turn left, turn right. Yeah, we go to turn right. So this is the PCN now. I think it's more smooth. So we go to turn right to this. Okay, seems to be the correct way. So we go to turn right, proceed forward, and this will be the road all the way until Bukit Merah. So hopefully I have the strength to keep up the pace. I don't think I can take long video on this route, so got to on and off for a while, and hopefully I can see you guys again in the later part of the run. Okay, thank you. Bye. Okay everyone, so I'm still on this rail corridor route. So I just passed this I think it's a Bukit Merah road. So So that's what behind me, the bridge there. So we're going to continue forward. I think very fast we're going to reach this Jalan Bukit Merah. So luckily it's not that long. So we're going to see you guys again when I reach the Jalan Bukit Merah road, and we proceed back to this Henderson way. Okay, thank you. Yeah, now I'm coming to this. After taking just now that video, I saw this overhead bridge over here. So it came to me that there might not be an overhead bridge over at this Bukit Merah road. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cross over to the other side, and then hopefully there will be another route. I'm not sure if this rail corridor is one end to one end without any in between connection to this HDB estate. So yeah, hopefully yeah, that doesn't occur to me when I was planning yesterday. So it's kind of otherwise I don't know how far it's going to be away from this civilian HDB site. So I'm going to cross over the overhead bridge and see what can we have over the other side. Hopefully there's another route for me to go. So here is the, I think should be somewhere near this Bukit Merah. So it's still somewhere near to our location, thankfully. So yeah, see you guys again. Thank you. Okay, now I'm this Jalan Bukit Merah. So in fact I'm very near to this Tafra. So that's kind of interesting. So we're gonna head towards this Henderson way, and I think I'm going to pass by this Henderson way, the bridge later on. Where I passed by in the morning, it's still dark, so maybe not much of the video there. So we're going to do it now and see you guys again. Thank you. So this is the point of the go up to this Henderson way. Right behind me is where I'm coming from. So I'm going to climb up this steep slope. Hopefully I can take the video all the way up. So today's route is starting from this Henderson way, and then we pass by this Henderson road to the Tiong Bahru Park to scan the QR code, and then proceed on to this Alexandra Park connector for the PCN. So we pass by this Boki, all the CBD area, very interesting. And then proceed down to this Esplanade Park. Then we saw this 2 QR code, which I will have the location. I will know where's the location to scan next time when I'm coming back to this Esplanade Park. So and then lost our way in Tanjong. So not easy to find a way, especially when you're tired. And somehow the plan that I had yesterday was not safe on my phone, so we lost a lot of time over at this Tanjong way out. So in the end we come to this find a way to this rail corridor, but unfortunately the rail corridor there's no exit at the Jalan Bukit Merah, so I need to get out much earlier. Luckily I got that exit, otherwise I don't know where I'm going to run to. So this is the Henderson wave now in this morning. It's about the time now is about 7 or 8 8. So quite interesting. So I managed to climb up the slope, and now it's still upslope to this car park area, toilet area, and to this rock is about 15 to 16. I'm very lucky that the weather holds for me today, and I got to enjoy the run today. Enjoy the sun now, although it's a bit cloudy. So got to manage about 16 to 17. I think it's 16 is the correct estimate. So we got to run up slope to this Henderson wave, and it's upslope all the way. And then there's a bright sun on one right side. It's a good weather now. So I think lucky on the way. And thank you for the support. And have a great night by China. And see you guys again next week. Have a nice Sunday, nice weekend, and a nice weekday. So have a nice day, good day, and have a nice weekend ahead. Thank you for the support, and thank you. See you. Bye.